Hello guys, welcome back to our channel PES Mobile Professional. Well, today we're gonna be opening the Legends box draw, and I'm still searching for Vieira. I opened it yesterday and I got James Rodriguez, but James Rodriguez is not the one that I'm looking for. I'm actually looking for Vieira. I'm not opening the other box draw because Maldini is a good choice also, but I do want to get Vieira. He is actually a decent defensive midfielder. You do actually want to get him in your team. About Del Piero is like, I got him a long time ago in my second team and he is like a normal player. Okay, let's see what we can get. Oh shit. Oh, it's a silver ball. Okay, for the first time it's not a problem, but now I wanna get a legend. I wanna get a black ball. Okay, let's try to get Vieira. Actually, I don't believe in tricks, so I'm not gonna try any trick. Okay, I'm just gonna try. Oh, it's a black ball. Please, legend. Oh, dude. Come on, dude. Come on, it was a black ball. It was not a glitch. It could be Vieira. Actually, Eriksen is not a bad player, but he's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for Vieira. Damn, dude. I got James Rodriguez and Eriksen, and I lost all my coins. This is the last chance. Please give me Vieira, please. Please, a black ball right here. Please, a black ball. Up. Oh shit. Damn it, dude. We got Eriksen and we got James Rodriguez, but they are not what I'm looking for. I failed to get Vieira. Actually, I was trying to save my coins for PES 19, but I lost all my coins to get Vieira, but I didn't get him. This absolutely sucks, dude. So guys, this is the end of the video. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button for me. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.